Hi everyone. So here we are at the very last week of the semester, and you all have been amazing. You are this close to finishing, and this is a hard accelerated semester, but you've done great. The only thing we are going to focus on is getting in our final draft of writing project 2. Now, y'all by Monday should have received your peer review feedback and also feedback from me. So check in your grades, the little text bubble, make sure that you can see that feedback from me, because I am going to be checking to see if you have incorporated that feedback. And I have to be straight up with you, because there is nothing more frustrating than to spend time giving feedback to a student and having them turn in the exact same draft as they have in the rough draft. So realize that I'm giving you feedback on ways that you can adjust and revise your draft in ways that first not only bumps up and boosts the efficacy of your argument, makes it more effective and stronger, and hopefully can lead you to become a better writer, a stronger writer, but straight up, it's what you need to do to boost that grade also, okay? So I want you to not only be the best writers that you can be, but also to get the best grade that you can get. So I'm telling you what you need to do. So please read that and incorporate it into the revision process. And don't think of the revision process as being corrected or that you did something wrong or anything like that. Final revision is a normal and valuable part of the process for students all the way up to professional writers, okay? So revise. That's all we're going to be focusing on this week, is revising our draft and getting it in by Thursday. After Thursday, please check your messages on Canvas and your email several times over the following days to make sure I am not reaching out to you, or that you're not missing an email or a message from me discussing some kind of problem or issue. Okay, so you make sure that you check, because there have been so many times when I can't read or haven't received a draft for some reason and the student just disappears. Okay, so please check. Other than that, if you need a Zoom conference this week, please send me a message. If you want to go over your draft, if you are hung up on any aspect of the assignment, please, if we can get on Zoom and just talk about it. It's low key, it's no pressure, it's just a conversation. So let me know if you need to do that. Other than that, have a really good week. Stay safe and stay well. Okay? Bye-bye.